All right. To make her back feel really, really good. That feel good?
Yes. So good.
So good. Let me take a deep breath in and let it out. There we go. Okay, we're gonna go to the other.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Ooh. Do you hear that?
Mm-hmm. Oh. Oh, good. Wow.
Discover, discover, discover.
Chiropractic.